Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Rapid TV. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page we click on Rapid TV. In this page of app on file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.